Hi guys, so welcome to Brains and the Beats. In today's video I'm going to be doing a review of label 42. Label 42 is actually from a black owned YouTuber brand here, and I follow her on YouTube, on Instagram, and she came out with her own clothing line. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys the first piece. Love her packaging, love the bag. My shipping came within 3 days after I purchased, and I got this in a medium, and it's just a padded muscle tee. This is how it looks. And then I got this skirt, and I got this in a large. I got it in a large because the waist area, and also I must commend her on her price point. Her price point is amazing. All her stuff is wonderfully priced. I have no complaints whatsoever. So yeah, and then this is in a medium, and what else? What is it? Label 42. I got this dress right here. It's very sexy, it's very risque, it's very out there, but I like stuff like that. Okay, probably gonna wear it for my birthday next year. So that is it. I love the dress. This is gonna show all your lumps, bumps, and everything, so you gotta make sure you're right. This is wonderful quality too. I see a lot of other boutiques are overpricing this, charging like $80 and $90 for the skirt, and like $110 to $120 for the pants version. I'm just like, no. So she had an amazing price point. I'll definitely put the price and sizing on the screen. And then this is also amazing. You can layer it, you can do whatever you want, and they're very on trend right now. So that is my review of label 42. That's a black owned brand. Please support and tell them I sent you. Brains and the Beat. If you go shop there, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.